Dear student, today in this video I will start poem from the first slide, A Tiger in the Zoo. This poem is composed by Legil Norris. First, I'll discuss the hard words of the poem. After that, I will explain the summary of the poem. Vivid. Vivid means clear. Stripes. Stripe means long lines on the body of tiger. Pads. Pads means cushions. Velvet. A soft silk cloth. Rage. Rage means anger. Lurking. Lurking means hiding. Sliding. Sliding means gliding. Slipping. Plump. Plump means healthy or fat. Snarling. Snarling means growling or grunting. Baring. Baring means uncovered, opening. Fangs. Fangs means poisonous teeth. Claws. Claws means paws, punji. Now summary of the poem. In this poem, the poet contrast means compares a tiger in the zoo with a tiger living in his natural habitat. He says that the tiger which is in the zoo is moving angrily in the cage of the zoo because his freedom has been snatched out from him. He is caught from the forest and imprisoned in the zoo. Although the floor of the cage is made of soft velvet, yet he is not happy. On the other hand, the tiger which is in the zoo, which is in the forest, in his natural habitat, is enjoying his freedom spontaneously. He is hiding in the shadow of trees and gliding or sleeping in the long grasses near the river, where fat deer come to drink water. He hides there to attack upon them when they will come to drink water from the river. He is symbol of terror and dread. Dread means fear. He is snarling or roaring around the houses which are at the edge of forest. He is showing his poisonous teeth to frighten the people who are living at the edge of the forest. The tiger which is in the zoo is symbol of helplessness. He is locked in the cage of the zoo. He ignores the visitors who look at him because he knows it well that his strength is limited only behind the bars of cage. Bars means iron rod of cage. He cannot come out of the cage to attack upon the visitors who had come to watch him. At night he looks at the glowing means shining stars in the sky helplessly. He also hears sound of patrolling. Patrolling means moving cars because zoo is located in the city.